Pneumatic Systems. Welcome to this presentation on pneumatic systems. In the next few minutes, we'll explore what they are, how they work, their key components, advantages, and applications. Introduction to pneumatic systems. A pneumatic system is a mechanical system that uses compressed air or gas to perform work. These systems are widely seen in automation, manufacturing, and other industrial settings. They work by connecting different components that compress, treat, and distribute air to power tools and machines. Working principle. The principle is straightforward. Compressed air is used as the working medium to generate force and motion. By controlling the flow of this air, we can produce both linear and rotary movements. Key components. A pneumatic system typically includes several main components. An air compressor to produce compressed air. An air treatment unit with filters and dryers to clean and prepare the air. A receiver tank to store the air. Control valves to direct airflow. And actuators, such as cylinders or motors, to perform the actual work. Applications. These systems have a wide range of applications. They are essential in industrial automation, used in manufacturing lines, and power many tools like drills and impact wrenches. Their versatility makes them suitable for many industries. Advantages. Pneumatic systems are valued for their simplicity, reliability, and relatively low cost. They are also easy to maintain, which makes them a practical choice for many operations. Working medium. The most common working medium is compressed air, because it's safe, abundant, and cost-effective. In some cases, other compressed inert gases can also be used. How it works step by step. First, air compression. Atmospheric air is drawn in and compressed to a higher pressure. Second, air treatment. The air passes through filters and dryers to remove moisture, oil, and dust. Third, air distribution. The compressed air is stored in a receiver tank and sent through a network of pipes and valves. Finally, actuation. Valves control the airflow to actuators, which convert the air pressure into mechanical motion. Conclusion. In summary, pneumatic systems offer a versatile and efficient way to automate tasks and power machinery. They are often a practical alternative to hydraulic systems, especially in applications where safety, simplicity, and cost are important factors.